In this video, we are going to show you how to redeem a 5% discount on your next Ghost Sim Racing product purchase. Now, if you're keen to shave some of the expense on your next Ghost Sim Racing product that you're going to get, watch this video because this is going to be good. This is going to be fast. And for those who don't know, Ghost Sim Racing is a brand specializing in high performance, budget friendly sim racing hardware, most notably the Phantom Pro pedals. Now, if you want to avail a discount, go click on the link that we have provided below. And it's going to bring you to this page right here. Now, here you just want to go shopping for whatever it is that you want. So, for example, we want to go to upgrades and we want to get this two-stage clutch bracket, for example. Just click on this, right, to bring it to our cart. Once it is in our cart, you want to click on checkout next, right? Now that we are in our checkout page, this is pretty much a standard checkout screen that you can get from any online store. Here under discount on your right hand side, enter VIP, click apply. There you go. As you can see, we now have 50% off and just go through the checkout process just as always. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.